Step 1. Go to your BLC course. Step 2. Turn on the editing of your course. Step 3. Click on Add an Activity or Resource button to open the Activity Chooser. Step 4. From the Activity Chooser, select the label Activity. Step 5. Expand the text editor by clicking the down arrow and select MS Teams button at the bottom right side of the menu. Step 6. Sign into your Office 365 account that you got from the IT section. Step 7. Click on Create Meeting Link button and add a title, date, and time according to your need for the live class. Step 8. Click on the Create button after setting the schedule and complete the setup. Step 9. Check the Open a New Window option and click on Add Link button to put the created link on label Activity. Step 10. Now, you may add custom text and image to customize the link so that it displays well for your students. Here I have added text that states the purpose and linked it with the generated meeting link. Then clicked on the Insert Image menu and selected the Wikimedia option. From there you can search for necessary usable image. For image, you can customize the size according to your necessity. Step 11. Finally, hit the Save and Return to Course button to save the activity. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn.